Hello dear fantastic video viewers, I hope that you are doing well, and Alhamdulillah I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So as you can see right now I am in Jauban. Actually I made a lot of video over here because of this place is also very fantastic and a mesmerizing place in Patuakhali. And you can see behind me, and there is Shohid Minar, which is the second largest Shohid Minar in Bangladesh. And actually you can see there is a very big field, and we can walk by this road. And now I can sit here under this tree. Actually it's dusk time, before the evening. Minutes later I will go my home. Actually I'm fasting today. Let me know in the comment box, are you fasting today or not? It's a Ramadan month, Alhamdulillah. I'm performing 5 times Salah with Tarabi, and apart from that actually I try to keep fasting, and Alhamdulillah I will keep all the fast in this Ramadan. So no more today. Allah Hafiz.